Alright, we back with another one. Finna change oil on my cousin's car. 2012 Malibu. First things first, gotta have it safety jacked. And I got the jack stands right up underneath this piece. So that way y'all can actually see, because nobody else be showing it. But yeah, finna get this going. See if I can get the angle. 15 millimeter. And yes, it's still hot. Make sure y'all know I be slacking on this part. That's tightening. Damn. Or maybe that. I think I might have to go get my cheap bar. Everything in my body popping. Yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so all you gotta do, I ain't gonna lie, I cheated off camera. Beat this bad boy with a hammer. Oh, this shit has to be hot. Get it loose. I'm talking about, I'm about to be so quick with this. If it drop in the pan, it drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4. Actually, I didn't get bad, but that shit is hot. I'm gonna let that drain for a little bit. I ain't gonna make y'all watch. Oh, I was probably blocking it, but yep, there you go. Let it drain. Alright. Gonna take our clean nut, cleaned it up a little bit. Get that bad boy screw back in there. Out the way for a second. Flip it to on. Nice and tight, but you don't need it crazy. We were never here. Alright, I didn't show up, but that's where the oil filter goes. And as you can see, we definitely needed a new one. I'm gonna switch it out and get it back in. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're about to get this bad boy put back in there. The pointy part goes inside. Put a little oil on that. Let's see if we can slide it in there. Twist it by hand. This is the part y'all didn't see on camera. I'm struggling with this damn thing. And I got me an adjustable one, so I don't know what size it is. I just want it to where I can't twist it off with my fingers. Whoever did it before me had this bad boy on there tight.
Probably the stuff they sell.
So far that's it. We're gonna put the new oil in and that'll be done. Alright, so we mostly done with the oil. Gotta reset it. I don't know if it's gonna be hard to see. See change oil soon. Door, yeah, no, that's not what we want. Nope. Bingo. Oil lost 0%, which I got there by pushing info right here on the steering wheel. I was about to say Silverado. And then we're gonna hold both of them together. Oil life reset. Come here, hit your enter button. Let's get you back on. Oh, it didn't work. Maybe I went too slow. Okay, there it goes. You got to hold the inner button, sorry. Now we're back at 100%. There you have it.